and the Dodgers are favored to win. So we are asked to kuan kanang rewrite the symbolic form in words. So we have here Q and P. So what is statement Q? So may statement Q.
The game will be shown on CBS.
Okay? So that is conjunction. So sa gali ang conjunction gani.
And sir,
And what is statement P?
the game will be played in Atlanta.
Okay, so the kuan, the statement is the game will be shown on CBS and the game will be played in Atlanta. Okay? Ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how about this one? Negation not R and S or negation R and S. So what is statement R? The game will not be shown on ESPN. Pero sa symbolic form that is negation man.
Will be shown, sir.
So walaon na to ang word nga not from the
Not
statement nga the game will not be shown on ESPN. So that is the game
will be shown.
on ESPN and the Dodgers are favored
Favored to win.
to win. Okay? What?
Yes, sir.
How about the others? Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, magdwara ko ba ka estudyante? So last we have S if and only if not P. Again, S if and only if not P. So statement S is the Dodgers are favored to win. So unsa gali na siya nga symbol gani? If and only if. So that is if and only if the Dodgers will not be played in Atlanta. Okay, negation P man. So opposite the no, not opposite, contradiction. The game will not be played in Atlanta. So the statement is the Dodgers are favored to win if and only if the game will not be played in Atlanta. What? What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So last, okay, so consider the following statement. Statement E, all men are created equal. Statement T, I am trading places. Statement A, I get Abe's place. Statement G, I get Georgie's place. So use the above information to translate the dialogue in the speech bubbles at the left. So we have here the speech bubbles. So first, E and negation T. So what is E and negation T?
All men are created equal.
All men are,
Created
first
equal.
bubble ta, all men are created equal. Conjunction. Okay, very good. And
I am not trading
so
places.
negation T man, I am not trading places. What?
Yes, sir.
Murag si Ron man siguro og si Leonard ang estudyante diri. Ano mang uban? Nag-answer mo wala? Nag-answer ang uban wala? No, ba mo na diya karon kay pag-abot sa exam, gagmay kay score kay dai ihatag nga kuan di nagyapon ninyo bali-balihon. So it's your problem already ah. Gagmay na ba kayo mag-score sa inyong midterm? I might be releasing your grades maybe on Wednesday or in Thursday. Hapit na ko mo man. So if you will not change your kuano study habit, then I cannot guarantee yung makapasag yun mo ani nga exam. Ani nga kuan subject. Murag duha ra ka ba kung estudyante ka tubag-tubag. How about the others? Asa naman mo? Nag-in lang. Sangit kin mo sa kuan gyud. Problema gyud taan eh. Kaya about the second bubble? A or not T?
I got
So statement A is I get
I get Abby's place.
Abe's place. So unsa man na siya? Conjunction, disjunction.
Disjunction, sir.
Disjunction. So what's the connective?
Or
Or I get Abe's place or negation
I
T.
am not
Okay, very good. I am not trading
Trading places.
what? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next bubble. If E, then T. If E, then T. So, conditional man na. So, we'll start with
if
if, if.
if all men are equal are created equal,
Okay, very good. If all men are created equal,
then I am trading places.
comma, then I am trading places. Huh? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So, how about the last one? T, if, and only if G. So, by conditional, T, statement T. I am
I am trading places
trading places
if and
and
only if
If
only if
I get George's.
I get
I get George's place.
Abe's. So, what? So, what? So, question? Any question? Wait lang ah. Dahil lang. Oh, do you have any question? Yan? Question? Wala?
Ang last part sa ang last
Yes.
dili na siya George's place.
Ay, Gina. Wait. George's place there. Sorry. George's. Okay, very good. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's go now to kuan kana compound statement and grouping symbols. So the same lagi hapon ni siya sa previous nga mag-convert ta og mga statements into symbolic form or into words. Ang atuwa lang ani karon is dapat kabalo taon sa yung mga statements nga naka-group together. Okay, so naatay mga indicators nga i-follow no. Kung makakita ganita ani nila, meaning the following statements are grouped together. Now, for example, in symbolic form, ang inyuhang timan-an, pag symbolic form gani, parentheses are used to indicate which statements are grouped together. So, unsay atong indicator when it comes to symbolic form? Sa symbolic form, again, statements or parentheses are used to indicate statements or which statements are grouped together. So katong mga kuan statements nga naa sa sulod sa kakuan kanang parentheses, meaning they are grouped together. Nakuha? Nakuha? So unsay indicator nato sa symbolic form nga makaingon ta nga naka-group together sila when they are enclosed by a parenthesis. Do you follow? For example, we have here P and Q or not R. So which statements are grouped together? So unsay timailhan nato atong naa sa sulod sa parenthesis. So unsa man nga mga statement ang naa sa sulod sa parenthesis?
Q and not
Again,
R.
Sean. Okay, Q and not R. So Q and not R are grouped together. Kuha? Kuha?
Yes, sir.
So another example, we have P and Q or R. Again, P and Q or R. So we have here P and Q or R. So what are the kuan? Or which statements are grouped together?
P.
P and
Q.
Q. P and Q are grouped together because they are inside a parenthesis. Again ha, pag naka-symbolic form gani, ang parenthesis ang atoang indicator. Okay? So last, if P and not Q, then R or S. So which of the following statements are grouped together?
P and not Q
Okay, so
and R.
P and not Q are grouped together. R and S are also grouped together. What? How about the others? Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, iman mo ba? Yes, sir.
Na, na si Bakol.
Yes, sir.
So Bakol, Gatchalian, Luyaw. So, Bakol, yan, and Luyaw got the highest score during the midterm exam. Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so again na symbolic form pag naagali sa sulod sa parenthesis meaning they are grouped together. Now when it comes to kuan kanang English sentence, ang inyong timan-an statements that are on the same side of a comma are grouped together. So dili din karon makuan nga pag i-convert nato siya sa English sentence, dapat kabalota karon sa tamo butang og comma. Okay? So sa English sentence, again, ang mga statements nga naa sa same side sa comma are grouped together. Do you follow? Unsa indicator nato sa English sentence? Unsa indicator nato sa English sentence? Comma.
Kama.
Okay. So for example, P, comma, and Q or not R. So which of the following statements are grouped together?
Q or not R, sir.
Okay, Q and not R. So ang Q and not R are grouped together because they are found on the same side of a comma. Nakuha? Na sila sa right side sa comma. Do you follow? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about P and Q, comma, or R? Which of the following statements are grouped together?
P and Q, sir.
Okay, P and Q. Anong P and Q man? Because they are found again on the same side of A, comma, naa sila sa left side. Kwa? Kwa?
Yes, sir.
So last, if P and not Q, comma, then R or S, which of the following statements are grouped together?
Are you sir?
So P and not Q are grouped together. Kinaa sila sa left side. And then R and S are also grouped together because they are found on the right side of the comma. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Kwa? Okay, again, sa symbolic form, sa indicator na to. Sa indicator sa symbolic form, pag naa sila sa sulod sa
Parenthesis.
parenthesis. How about if English sentence? Unsay timailhan nato, unsay indicator nato pag English sentence? Naa sila sa same side sa
Tama.
comma.
Tama.
So let's try to translate this one, translate compound statements in symbolic form. So we have here, let P, Q, and R represent the following. Statement P, you get a promotion. Statement Q, you complete the training. Statement R, you will receive a bonus. So write this statement. We have P and Q. If P and Q, then R as an English sentence. So ang inyong una buhaton ani is i-identify ninyo unsa ang tawagan ni kanang unsay connective ang naa sa gawa sa parenthesis. Okay, unsa nga connective ang naa sa gawa sa parenthesis? Unsa nga connective?
If then, sir.
If then, di ba? That is conditional man. So you will start your statement with if. What is statement P? You
Get a
get,
promotion.
if you get a promotion, conjunction man, and you complete the training, kasulod sila sa parenthesis, right? Tama? Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
So, ang dito, unsa may timailhan mo to sa English sentence nga nakagroup sila. Ito sila i-separate by A. We will use A,
Then,
comma. Nakuha?
Okay.
So if you get a promotion and you complete the training, remember that P and Q are grouped together. So dapat pag abot sa iyang English sentence, ato siyang i-separate by A, comma. Nakuha?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then, what is statement R? You will
You will receive a bonus.
receive a bonus. Nakuha? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Again na. So this is P and Q, then R man. If P and Q, then R, then tanawa si P and Q nakakuan sila sa parenthesis. Dapat pag abot sa tuwang English sentence, ato siyang i-separate or we will use a comma para ma-indicate nato nga usa sila ka group. You follow? You follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about the others? Do you follow? Question? None?
None, sir.
So how about this one? If tagaan mong statement, i-write do kuno ang iyang gani symbolic form. Right? If you do not complete the training, then you will not get a promotion and you will not receive a bonus in symbolic form. If you do not complete the training, comma, then you will not get a promotion and you will not receive a bonus. So just follow the kuan. Pag abot dapat sa symbolic form, naka-enclose siya by a parenthesis. So this is if then. So conditional. So start with an arrow. So what is if you do not complete the training?
Negation Q.
Okay, that is negation Q. Then so naka-group together na ni sila kay because of a comma. So we will going to use a parenthesis. Then you will not get a promotion. So manang you will not get a promotion. It is you will not get a promotion. Negation
Negation P.
P and so conjunction and
Negation R.
okay, very good. Negation close parenthesis. What? What? Okay. Can we have one kanang class on Thursday? Wala ka topic para makapas mo sa kuan discussion. Okay na Thursday? Habang may klase Thursday? May klase Thursday wala. Sige mag-schedule lang ta. Okay, question? None? Then let's have one last example. Okay, so let P, Q, and R represent the following. So we have Keisha's singing style statement P. Keisha's singing style is similar to Yufi's. Statement Q, Keisha has messy hair. And statement R, Keisha is a rapper. So write this symbolic form. We have if P and Q, then R as an English sentence. Get out. If P and Q, then R. If P and Q, then R as an English sentence. So we'll start with if. What is statement P?
Keisha's singing style is similar to.
Keisha's singing style is similar to Yufi's. Next, conjunction. And statement Q. What is statement Q?
Yes. Messy hair.
Okay, Keisha has messy hair. Then,
Comma.
comma, then, sige,
Comma din.
comma, then, statement R
Keisha is a rapper.
is a, very good. What?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question? How about the others? Do you have any question? Okay. So last, right? If Keisha is not a rapper, then Keisha does not have a messy hair, and Keisha's singing style is not similar to Ufi's. in symbolic form. So if then money, so an arrow. So if Kisha is not a rapper, what is that? Statement R. Kisha is not a rapper man. So that is not R. Right? Negation man siya, right? Tama? Okay.
Yes, sir.
R. Then open parenthesis.
Negation Q.
Messy hair. So negation or not.
Q.
Q. Conjunction. So and. Kisha singing style is not similar.
Not
Not.
A. Close parenthesis.
What? Dahil na natunok, kay murag na pa may time. Okay ra? Wala yung tagamay. Para mauman na to. Ay, namoy defense. Sige, sige, sige. Okay. So, we will end lang sa diri and then please, kisakali itong inyong mayor gani.
Stephen Salvador, sir.
Saldariaga.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Pagod sa kong kuhaan ka ng schedule o class on Thursday. If you have a
Yes, sir.
vacant time, mag-kuhaan ta online class ta.
Sinta ko karon, sir.
Okay. Online class lang. Okay, so para